Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable cookies on your Mac using Safari. If you're visiting a website and see a message saying cookies must be enabled, this is how you fix it. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks. Let's get started. First, open up the Safari browser on your Mac. Now go to the top left corner of your screen and click on Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Settings or Preferences on older macOS versions. By default, you'll land on the General tab, but we want to go all the way to the Advanced tab. It's on the far right. Once you're there, look for the option that says Block All Cookies. If the box is checked, that means Safari is currently blocking all cookies. To enable cookies, simply uncheck that box. Once done, refresh the website you were trying to visit. If it still doesn't work, try closing Safari and reopening it. And that's it. Cookies should now be enabled in Safari on your Mac. If this helped, hit that like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm happy to help.